Let me introduce myself first. My name is Nazira Husna. You can call me Nazira, Zira, Nana, Nara, or something else, but don't call me Kak. It's so annoying. I come from class of 23 in majoring management Jabal Ghafur University. And here, I will share my Ramadan routine activities according to assessment that Mrs. Fauzia has given me. Enjoy guys, stay tuned. And this is my daily routine during Ramadan. Daily routine in Nazira's Ramadan Karim. It was still dark at dawn at 3:30 a.m. The sound of music from Nazira's smartphone alarm sounded loudly. Nazira woke up and start her day with ablution and prayer to rakaat of tahajud and 1 rakaat of witir. After praying and finish, at 4 a.m., I rushed to the kitchen and helped my mother prepare suhoor. After everything was finished, I enjoy suhoor with my family while takewarmly and occasionally watching TV about the stories of the Prophet that were being broadcast. Then, after completing suhoor, at 4:15 a.m., the loud sound of imsak sounded and our family stopped activities that could break the fast. While waiting for the time for the morning prayers, I tidied up a little and washed the dishes. At 4:30 a.m., I prayed the Qabliyah and I prayed the morning prayer and read several pages of the Quran until the sun. This Ramadan and the previous Ramadan, I'm trying not to sleep anymore after suhoor, and I also want to get into the habit giving alms at dawn, even though the amount is not much. At 7:30 a.m., I continue cleaning up the house like sweeping, mopping, and the like to tidy up the rooms so that I don't get too tired if I do it at the afternoon or evening. At 8:30 a.m., I'm sometimes pray duha and read surah Waqiah. At 9 a.m., if I have a lecture schedule, I go to college, and if it's free, I usually choose to sleep because I don't sleep after suhoor. At 11 a.m., I get up, take a shower, and get ready for midday prayers. Then continue reading my Quran. At 15 p.m., I help my mother to kitchen, prepare food to break the fast, such as peeling onions, cutting vegetables, and so on. At 16 p.m., then I continue my obligation to pray Asar, take a shower, and go to ngabuburit or killing time to see the snack and takjil on the market. Usually, I choose to buy fried food and some fresh drink because I usually at home. My mother has made kolak or fried noodles. Coming home from looking for snack on the side of the road at 18:30 p.m., I immediately prepare food and drink to iftar time. Usually, I choose to follow the sunnah from Rasulullah to consuming dates and water first when breaking the fast so that my stomach doesn't get shocked. Then continue with other heavy food after Maghrib prayers. After Maghrib prayers and eating some food, I took a break and prepare myself to go to the mosque to perform Tarawih prayers. At 20 p.m., I go to the mosque to pray 20 rakaat of Tarawih prayers, which are closed by 3 rakaats usually finish. From 21 6:40 to 22 p.m. depending on the imam who is leading the prayers at time. Then I go home with my family. When I get home, I randomly talk with my family and finish the takjil. I broke earlier so that I doesn't go to waste. Usually I check notification or surf media social like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. At 22:30 p.m., I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, do ablution, skincare, and read Surah Muluk because it has become a habit before going to bed. At 23 p.m., usually I sleep soundly for up to a third of the night and have a sweet dreams. And that's how my daily Ramadan life continues. Usually I can add a few more activities like hunting for new clothes and so on. And this schedule doesn't apply if I'm my period. This is my daily Ramadan life. I hope it can have a positive impact on those who read and listen to it. Thank you.
Hi, let me introduce Maslet Mulia Rama, Administration Student Class of 2023. I will tell you about my daily activity during Ramadan. At 4 a.m., I wake up at dawn. After sahur, while waiting for the morning class to prayer, I take a shower. After shower, I get ready to perform the morning prayer. After the morning prayer, I pray 2 or 3, complete the Quran. After finishing, I continue to repeat the lesson yesterday. At 7:20 a.m., I feed our morning class. I will go to classroom. If there are none, I class the house. After finishing, I slash the wake up. At 7:20 a.m. to go to classroom. At 11:55, I go home. The classing out with the prayer. After finishing the prayer, I read to complete of the Quran. After finishing, I continue to read and play on my phone until I watch time of Asar. 16 p.m. I do art short. I break the fan. Don't forget to break the fire with small sting for a flash data. Something sweet, for example, deck. At 19 p.m. I continue the evening prayer. Continue ready the Quran. If the evening I read Yasin later. At 20 p.m. I go ready to go to the mosque for Tarawih prayer. At 21:49 I went home. Slept for I will player on my phone. Then continue study for 30 minutes until finishing. After that, I wake to sleep to read my body to work again tomorrow.
Winda Ashira daily life in the holy month of Ramadan Karim. At 4 a.m. I got up to prepare the sahur food menu. After that, while waiting for imsak, I played on my phone for a while. Then I prayed at dawn and clean the room. At 6 a.m., I started doing activities as usual, such as washing dishes, cleaning the house, and help with other housework with people at home. At 12 a.m., I rested for a while playing on my cell phone and waiting for doors to arrive. After that, I sleep for a while. At 5:10 p.m. I don't have much time. I immediately cook to prepare food and drinks to break the fast. Then I delivered rice to my mother and to my grandmother to break the fast. At 16:15 I prayed as of. After that, I hung out with my friend while looking for takjil. At 18:45, I break my fast with the food served in Maghrib prayer. At 19:40, I went to Tarawih prayer. After that, I went to Indomaret to buy food. At 21:20, I played on my cell phone for a while and got ready to
Fitriati daily life in the holy month of Ramadan Karim. At 4:20 a.m., I wake up and immediately rushed to wash my face and brush my teeth. After that, I immediately had sahur while waiting for the fast call to prayer. At 5:20, when the call prayer was said, I performed ablution for the morning prayer. After praying, I read several pages of the Quran. At 6 a.m., I went for a walk at dawn with friend. After walking home, I helped clean the house. After that, I went to college. At 12:40, after college, I pray midday prayer and read several pages of the Quran. After that, I sleep for a while. At 15:30, I wake up and immediately took a shower while waiting for Asar time to arrive. After Asar prayer, I helped my mother After Asar prayer, I help my mother cook in the kitchen. After cooking, I usually relax with my family while waiting for the time to break the fast. At 18:45, time to break the fast. After breaking the fast, I perform ablution for evening prayer. After that, I read several pages of the Quran. At 19:45, I am getting ready to go Tarawih. At 21:40, after returning home, our family greeted for a while before going to bed. At 22:30, it's time for us to sleep.
Nur Mukaramah, my activity in the month of Ramadan. Infantine month of tearing happy. In the fasting month of fair happy bursting use our hoak as wing in goting brightive in God sirasto God and blagon. 3 a.m. I go to have motor cook rice al her sting relax for our wing waiting for thing rice to cook. I am 15:17. I play air morning and read thing Quran for our will.
The morning, clean the house.
7 p.m. in the morning, clean the house and wash
washing the dishes, and sleep. 12:45 p.m. I played, non-played, and after playing in and sleep for wing. Why? 15:55 into us her after taking us hour in matching afternoon player in player thing afternoon player. 17 p.m. Have my mother cook to break thing fast. 18:47 p.m. It's time to break thing fast, and after breaking thing fast I play Maghrib. 19 p.m. Go to the mosque for Tarawih prayer. 22 p.m. After Tarawih and went home. After coming home from Tarawih in with strict throw sleep.
Thank you.